Alright, let's explain 48 Hours of Ruckus, because it's coming up. Roll that intro. What's up, everybody? Welcome to my channel, Small Bore and Two Wheels. If this is the first time you're here, welcome. If it's not, welcome back. So I want to kind of touch about 48 Hours of Ruckus, just because there may be some questions. What better way to do so than getting a tag? Let's call this tag Tuesday. It's not a Thursday, but if you guys have been in my channel since the beginning, I do this I guess series that is called Tag Thursday, where I play a forum game on 49cc scoots where there's a challenge. I go over there and take a picture in front of what the challenge is. So right now we're on our way to CVS or Walgreens, the pharmacy, and 48 Hours of Ruckus is pretty much the tag game, but on steroids. So there will be 48 hours starting on July 5th of this year, ending on July 7th, obviously. There will be a list of 48 challenges that you have to get as many of in those 48 hours. The challenges will be dropped by Fat Kid Productions on Instagram right here, and after they have been dropped, they will be available on 48hoursofruckus.com. Put that up here, as well as on the description down below, for both Fat Kid's Instagram and the 48 Hours of Ruckus website. Just make sure to follow Fat Kid, because anytime on those 48 Hours of Ruckus is gold, because those 48 hours will go by fast, especially trying to get those 48 challenges. So here are some of I guess the last year's and years before that, some of the examples of what we have seen.
Downshift Dom with his Sharpie Ruck, doing all sorts of things. I think it was 2 years ago. He had an issue with his Ruckus last year, so he wasn't able to compete. But look at all this. And GT Vert, 49cc Scoot. If you've seen his videos or in his forum, he competed last year as well and had a blast.
We had like 2 Big Macs for $5, and that's it.
So Scooty Tech, played from Florida last year. No Name for a Day played. I'm not sure where he's from. Little Penny played in the Austin area. That's Happy Pancake up in PA. That's me in Katy, Texas. And Grey Dog Custom. Right here, Tanuki, our, I guess, Master of Ceremonies, was dropping the list, as you can see here. It's kind of hard to see on Instagram, so that's why we're doing an off-site release for the list. Here are some of the prices: t-shirt, trophy, bottle, and some cash. I think you also have some stickers in there. So pretty much just bragging rights though. Everybody will know you won. Right here, Tanuki just doing this thing, doing a combo. The Ruckus with Hot Wheels as well as smoke, driving through a pile of leaves like Dom did. And right here, he closed the ceremony in a very masterful way. And here you show giving the homage to Fat Kid, TotalRuckus.com, once the game was over.
Okay, so let's take this I guess pharmacy challenge or pharmacy tag as one of the examples for the 48 Hours of Ruckus. So let's say it says to go and take a picture in front of a pharmacy. Okay, cool. So what we'll do is we'll go over here to the Walgreens. I could have gone to the CVX without having to turn around. you'll park up next to it, you'll take your picture, and then make sure that you have both your scooter and whatever the buddy is for that year. Last year it was either a spoon or a can of tuna. This year, who knows? I mean, Bracket hasn't released a list, so he'll come up with a buddy that you have to have with you the whole time you're riding around. And it changes year to year, so you can't reuse pictures if for some reason they double up. So I think after this guy I'll go. Alright, so you just kind of set up, snap your pic, kind of like Tag Thursday is, and then you go on your merry way. Yeah, 48 hours of Ruckus. Let me know if you guys are gonna compete in the comments down below. Give me a thumbs up. Make sure that you like this kind of content. Hit that subscribe button so you know what else I have. Ring the bell so you're notified every single time I post something. And until next time, guys, keep causing a ruckus. Spass out. Later. Why do I do this to myself? I need to turn left.